Hey guys, and welcome back to week 3 of the Tech Ladies Coding Bootcamp. So I'm about to head out the door. I actually have to leave in like 2 minutes. So I'm about to head out the door and pick up a little bit of lunch before I head to Tech Ladies, because it starts at like 1 p.m. and it goes until 6 p.m. every single Saturday. So typically I just like to grab a little lunch before I go. As far as I know, today we are going to actually start working on code that goes towards the project, because last week, although we were coding the homepage like I showed you guys, that was more of like trials, so they can kind of test and see where our knowledge is at, and we can kind of get to know each other's code and critique it and stuff like that. So that was more of like a practice round, I guess you could call it, kind of like if you're playing a game and that's the practice round before we do the real thing. So yeah, let's see how it's gonna be today. Not really sure what to expect. I did my homework for the week. We have homework that we do every week. It's supposed to be about 10 hours worth every week of either coding or homework, but to be honest, it did not take me that long, but you know, that's okay. All right, see you at the bootcamp. Alright, so here at week 3 of Tech Ladies, we are now working teams of 2 to try and do the actual coding bit. But what we've done so far is worked on the homepage, got the actual images that we needed, and recoded my terrible code from last week. And a team of 2, I've never coded with someone else before. Work as a team and make decisions together on what we want to do, so that was pretty cool. And I committed, I can just show you like little bits, like that's just a font I'm using, but my partner, she pulled it, so that's cool. I'm actually getting real experience working with others rather than just me typing stuff and not getting feedback, so this is kind of cool. So what's really cool about this website called Envision app is that it has the properties we need, especially when we are coding in CSS. So like the designers set up what they wanted, for example, this Earth life text to look like. So I would have not known, or I could just guess what properties to put just by looking at it. Or I have the CSS here that I can just copy, and then I can just put in my CSS, and yeah, it takes that headache out of the way, which is nice, because sometimes I look at something and I'm like, yeah, I have no idea how they want it, but I'll do it the best I can. So that's cool. Just wanted to show you guys that. Here's another example. We know that button's purple, but what shade of purple? Oh, there we go. Just copy and paste. So far it's looking good. We made it so that's responsive, so it works between mobile and sizes and the desktop, so that's cool. And so we went from this to this. Only took 4.5 hours. Oh yeah. All right. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and have my partner push your code so that I can pull it and bring it on my machine. Uh-oh. We have some Git conflicts. Alright, this is how a conflict looks like.
Oh, this.
Oh wow, so many changes. Caffeine break. So we got a lot done. I'm actually pretty proud of myself how far I came. I loved that we got to practice pair programming today. To be honest, I was thinking at first that probably just one of us will do the code and the other person will just sit there and be like, yep, yeah, you should definitely change that line. No, actually, we were definitely working as a team. I loved working with my teammate Vanessa. She's awesome, and I just feel like we could read each other's minds sometimes. Like we'll be like, oh, let's do that and this, and she just understood what I was saying by using very simple terminology, and she could read my mind. But anyways, it was a good time. Okay, so the day here is over. We did a lot of work in 5 hours, and I'm pretty proud. I commit my changes to GitHub, and yeah, so time to head on home. Okay, so that is my vlog for week 3. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope this is helpful and useful to you guys. Let me know if you want me to upload these weekly, or you'd rather see the rest of the vlogs in just one big vlog, like little snippets of what I'm doing instead of explaining in detail what I'm doing every single week. Just please let me know. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so that way you know if I'm uploading more videos. Honestly, the best way to support me is to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So it's free, it's easy, just please do that, it'll mean a lot. That way I can make more of these awesome videos for you guys. See you next week on another coding bootcamp, but I'm going to end this week's video with a question. Have you ever done a coding bootcamp before? If so, let me know in the comments down below. Alright, see you next week, bye!